What's up, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for joining me today. Some of you have asked me to do, with all this cold weather, a soup of sort, and it's cold today. And this is the perfect day for some chicken caldo. That is a chicken soup. It's got some vegetables in it: corn, carrots, cabbage, potatoes. It's so good. And on a day like today, it's gonna be perfect. And wherever you're at, if it's cold, this is gonna be perfect for you too. I've got some water boiling or warming up. We're gonna take some chicken breasts, trim them up a little bit, get them in there, and get this cooking away. This is gonna be good. Let's get started. All right, so what I have here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and what I'm gonna do is just trim up all this fat. I'm gonna get that fat off of here. And then we're gonna get them into the pot. Like I said, I have a pot coming up to boil with 8 cups of water. And as that's warming up, we're gonna get these trimmed up. All right, you guys, I got the chicken trimmed up here, got the fat off. Just gonna drop it in this water here. And what we're aiming for right now is to make like a chicken stock. So, or chicken broth, stock, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to let this simmer on a medium heat, and as it's simmering, I'm going to, any fat that rises to the top, I'm going to, scrape that off. And once the chicken is done, not sure how long it's going to take, but once it's done, I'll pick back up and we'll move on to the next step. And I'll show you what else we're going to add to that. All right, so as this is cooking, as this grease comes to the top, this film here, just gonna try to remove as much of it as I can throughout the cook, just to kind of make this a little less greasier and a little more pure, if you will. I mean, the only way to really get it to like a pure beef broth is to strain it through some cheesecloth. I'm not going to do that tonight, but this is still cooking. It's been going for about 20-30 minutes, and just throughout this cook, or as this boils, this is kind of what I'm going to do and get as much as I can off. All right, so what I'm doing here is we're about 45 minutes into this cook, and I'm just taking this spoon and breaking up this chicken into smaller pieces, a little more manageable pieces. I thought about just pulling the chicken out and shredding it, but I think this is going to be just fine. I mean, it's coming apart pretty easily, so I'm not going to have a whole lot of trouble with it. But this is where we're at now. I'm going to break this chicken up into smaller pieces, as you can already see that I've done. And at this point, it's just whatever sizes you like, however big a chunk of chicken you like, it's totally up to you. I like to have some like larger chunks in here compared to having it completely shredded. So I'm going to leave mine a little chunky. So I'm just going to tear these apart a little bit more, and then I'll pick back up when we add the veggies. All right, so as you can see, I got the chicken all shredded up now. Now I use boneless, skinless breast. You can use chicken legs. I'm sorry, I use boneless, skinless thighs, but you can use chicken legs, breast meat, whatever you like. I just like the dark meat, so that's what I'm going with. All right, so when it comes to chicken caldo, to me, and this is where this recipe is very versatile. A lot of people will add zucchini, celery. You can really add any vegetables you like. But personally, for me, what I think goes in there, you got some corn, potatoes, carrots, and cabbage. Those are the only vegetables you need in there, in my opinion. Again, that's just me, but I've seen other people use a number of different vegetables. So you can add whatever you like. This is what I like. This is what I'm used to. This is what I'm using. We're going to take this, and I'm just going to dump it Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do that now. Got the chicken here. I'm just gonna dump this right in here. Gonna give this a mix. We are gonna add some seasoning. I haven't added any seasoning to it yet, but I do have a package of seasoning that I'm gonna add in just a bit. Let's give this a good stir. And when it comes to seasoning, you know, you can season this however you like. I would go salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I think you'll be just fine with that. The package, the seasoning that I'm going to add, it's a little package. It's already pre-made, put together. It's got all the seasonings in there, which are the ones I just mentioned, and probably just a few extra. So we're going to add the seasoning to this next. All right, so we just added the vegetables. I'm taking this packaging here, and we're just going to add that seasoning to the mix. This little package of seasoning, it's like the perfect amount and the perfect spices for this recipe. So we're going to get this to a medium to low heat, and we're just going to let this simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour until the corn is cooked through, softened out. The potatoes are tender, and the cabbage is tender. All the vegetables are tender. So it's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour. And we're just going to let it simmer just like this. Make sure we get this seasoning mixed in here really well. You guys, if you haven't tried this, I'm telling you, it's awesome. This is so freaking good. This is what I'm used to eating growing up. It's awesome. And I think you guys would love it. So we're going to let this simmer, like I said, for about 45 minutes to an hour. And we'll pick back up when it's done. All right, you guys, this chicken caldo is done. I took a toothpick, poked it through the potatoes. They're tender. The carrots are tender. This is ready to serve. Good gosh, this is going to be good. I did taste the broth. Oh my word. It is amazing. We'll get some plated up in a bowl, and I'll show you how I like to eat it. All right, you guys, this is done. Look at that. The way I like to eat it is with crackers. Man, this smells amazing. If you want to know how this dish tastes, all you have to do really is just taste the broth, because that flavor in this broth is going to be distributed throughout the entire dish. So we're going to taste just that broth by itself, because if that tastes good, you know the rest of this is going to be amazing. All right, you guys, we're going selfie cam mode here. I've got some broth here in the spoon. We're going to give this a taste. Woo! That's good. You see this T right here? Somebody asked me if this stands for tasty. Tonight, it definitely stands for tasty. Holy cow. Oh, I just got to get a little more of this. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh. Give it a shot. Oh. That's good. I'm telling you, that's damn good. I'm gonna tear this caldo up. It is amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Damn it, that's good. Listen, I know a lot of times people talk about my reactions, when I'm tasting something. That's good. That is damn good. I'm gonna eat this. It's cold outside.
This is perfect. Oh, it's so good. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it entertaining. I will see you guys next time. Take care.